Black's objective here is to make a living shape. This is actually very similar to problem 169. 10 problems before this one on this playlist. And that problem looked like something like this, right? And this will still work. I think with number 3, white will have to capture number 1 somehow. And the correct solution, in case you haven't seen it, is right here. Be something like this. This diagonal move on the first line is really key. This way, black is threatening to step down here to capture all these white stones. So white must answer here, and black will live this way. So this is a potential correct variation, and it's actually can be a little more straightforward than that. Black can climb here and step down. This way, again, black is aiming for this standing down descent move at G19. So if white ignores it, now black will be able to capture these 4 stones and live very comfortably. So white will have to capture, and now black just needs this move to live. If white comes in this way, black can't get to play this move to save these stones, right? This way black will still live. If white connects here, then of course black can live this way. So if you already know how to solve 169, this is actually much easier with this climbing move and this standing down, threatening to capture these white stones. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and thank you for watching.